welcome to bnettv.com. I'm Rhea Nielsen, and we're back here at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas 2008. And today we're actually down at the Digital Foci booth, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And I'm being joined here by Charles Wang, who is the Director of Business Development. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak to us today.
Well, thank you for this great opportunity.
No worries. Now, would you be able to tell our consumers a little bit about the company and what it is that you folks do?
Right. Well, Digital Foci, what we're doing here is we're focusing on creating a set of products that are going to help people manage their digital media.
Okay.
There's so many digital cameras out there, so many people are using digital music and digital video that we're trying to create a set of products that will help them be able to take this out of the digital format and put it into a visible format or an audible format.
And so can that be used with, like you said before, there are a lot of places out there where people can upload their pictures to. Right. Is this going to be accessible to any one of those that they use? I don't want to be name dropping, but you know what I'm saying. Like, is that going to be able to use your product on those?
Well, yes, they will be able to use our products with that. It's just a matter of being able to get the file formats that you need. A lot of our users are digital camera users.
Right.
And what they'll do is they'll use our products in conjunction with their digital cameras.
Oh, okay.
We have like copy and store devices that they'll take on vacation with them. What they'll do is they'll bring, instead of bringing their laptop computer, they'll bring, say, a photo safe with them. And when their memory card gets filled up, after they've taken so many pictures, they can copy the contents from the memory card onto the photo save.
Okay.
And then that frees up their memory card to take more pictures.
Well, that sounds great.
Well, it's a little bit easier than taking a laptop computer with them.
Yes, gets a little heavy after a while.
Right.
Super. Now, is there anything special that you guys have announced or are announcing here at the show this year?
Well, we have a lot of new exciting products.
Okay.
One product that we have here behind me, that's our Image Moments, and Image Moments is our line of digital photo frames. We have a lot of very new and very exciting product improvements there. But what I really want to talk about today is another new product that we're announcing called the Pocket Album series.
Okay.
Specifically, this device that we have here, this is called the Pocket Album Deluxe OLED 2.8 inch. And what this is a portable viewing device. It has a lithium-ion battery and internal flash memory. This device can hold up to about 5,000 pictures that will be easily transferred from your computer through the USB connection. The battery life is going to last about 4 to 5 hours of continuous usage. Now, what's really key about this product here is that we're using the latest technology in display components. And this uses what's called an OLED display. This is a 2.8-inch OLED. And what's really key about OLED is that one, the viewing angles that you get from almost any angle that you view this at is
The
spectacular.
picture. Yeah,
right.
I can still see it clearly.
Even when you get close to kind of a flat angle, you can still see the picture, and it's still as clear as it should be. The second thing here is if you look at the colors on the screen, the colors on the screen are very bright and vibrant.
Very bright.
And in addition, the contrast that you see on the screen, different from the current popular technology, which is TFT LCD. The contrast that you see on here is very nice, where the dark colors and the blacks come through as black.
Okay, gotcha. Now, obviously, is this something now that is going to be available to consumers very shortly, or?
This will be shipping in April.
In April?
Right. What I have here is a prototype for the show.
Okay.
But we will start shipping these in April. This is the one color that we have here for display. But when we go into production, we'll be offering this in 3 different colors.
Sounds great. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Well, thank you.
We appreciate that. And have a great time here at the show.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. This has been Rhea Nielsen for bnettv.com.